if you're really serious about this, kung gusto mo yung charity na yan, and you've laid some conditions, then let me lay my own conditions for the event. Kung serious ka talaga, ha? But I cannot be there sa Sunday. I have other things to do. Pero Tuesday, available na ako. Tuesday, Wednesday, but not Sunday. Tuesday, Wednesday, or any other day. Kaya, I think mas okay para sa'yo kasi mas may oras ka pa para mag-ensayo. Kasi medyo yung pagsuntok mo, pag jab mo, nakababa ka agad yung kamay mo, kailangan nakadepensa yan sa mukha mo. Pag jab mo, balik ka agad sa mukha, ha? So, konting advice lang, mag-ensayo ka. I think you've succeeded in the smoke screen that you've provided for this administration. Na una, yung visit ni Marcos na tinatawag nila na a success where we got a 1% reduction of the 20% imposed tariff on us. So, tsaka yung baha dyan, ginagamit mo pa yung demise of the people, to divert real issues. So, kung gusto mo talaga, dalawa lang yan. Either puntahan kita, tayo lang dalawa, magsama ka lang ng bodyguard mo para kung may mangyari sa'yo, at least may mag-alsa pa sa'yo sa hospital. Suntukan tayo, walang gloves. Or kung gusto mo yon, ganito. These are my conditions. Pakiusapan mo yung amo mo na presidente and let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Papalagan ko yung charity mo na yan. So, wag lang Sunday, ilipat mo ng then kung papayag ka sa kondisyon ko, walang problema. Kung if it will answer the issues nitong bansa natin, I can do that. Matagal ko na rin, wag ka mag-alala, Torre, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy.